South Seas Island Resort on Captiva Island. In the Bayside Villas, which is located in the south end of the resort, with a close proximity to the Captiva Village, which you have all the shops and the restaurants, famous Mucky Duck, the Bubble Room. Also, because this participates in a rental program, you get a complimentary membership, so access to all the resort amenities, which includes the resort's main pool, the golf course, the tennis center, all the children's activities. Bayside Villas within itself, they have their own community pool, they have a jacuzzi, they have under building parking. Right now at 4216, this 1 bedroom, 2 bath, overlooks the waterway of the small boat basin to Pine Island Sound, which you will get majestic sunrise views, that's for sure. Within this villa, it's listed for $374,900. Don't forget the 900. It offers the floors of vinyl, granite countertops, has that coastal feel that you would expect here at the resort. Short stroll to the beach as well, which is very important. Everybody loves the beach. You know what? Let's go have a look.